If you ever want to come to Canada, or you are already in Canada on a visitor visa, this message is for you. Please watch to the very end. Now, if you are in Canada or you want to come with visitor visa, right, bear one thing in mind, that you will have your tough time. Tough time doesn't last, right? Even it doesn't matter, maybe you come being a student or PR, you will have your tough time. That is the reality. But especially for those that come with visitor visa, bear one thing in mind, that whichever way you come to this country, you will eventually have your work permit, you will eventually get your permanent resident, and you will eventually become a citizen. But just one thing, be focused, right? The problem with some of them be say, you enter Canada today, in the next 3 months, you won't go Naija go Buga, or you won't go Naija go Shakara or go UK. No, relax. Relax. Before I turn to person where they fly around the world with Canadian passport, I face my time. So please, if you want to come here, you are free to come. You will eventually be happy. You will make it. And here is one thing: if you come with visitor visa, you can change it by maybe getting a job that will support your work permit, right? LMIA job, right? Or maybe convert it through school, or maybe seek asylum, or get married. So these 4 ways you can change your visa. So please, just be focused. And if you ever want to become a citizen in this country, stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble. I might not tell you the reason now, but you will thank me later. Stay out of trouble, because when you apply for citizenship, they will pull up your record. So stay out of trouble. And for those of you that will be like, the agent no mind now, if visa too cost. See, if everybody is doing it for $1 and I charge you for $2,000, that is my price. If you don't like it, go elsewhere. But my own be say, I go do your visa. Even if they refuse you, I go reapply for you. I go apply for your GCMS note, right? And reapply for you. So please, guys, let's stay out of trouble. And one more thing, if you want to buy vehicle, you want to buy property, you want to do anything abroad and you don't have visa, I'm right here to be your middleman, right? Thank you guys, and God bless you.